How to cancel Dropbox Plus plan. Really easy and simple. Come here at the top right, click on your profile icon. Okay, now go ahead and click on Manage Account right here. And right here, you should see your subscriptions, whatever plan you are on right now. And this is what you want to do next. So you just go ahead and click on Cancel Plan at the bottom of the page. And if you don't see cancel plan, basically you may have purchased Dropbox on your mobile device. So you'll need to cancel your plan from the App Store on your device. Go to subscription on your App Store. That's where you can cancel it on your phone. And then if you're doing it from the PC, click on cancel plan at the bottom of the page. Then you need to select a reason for your canceling. And then just go ahead and click continue canceling or just confirm change and just follow the prompts. And you'll basically receive an email confirmation that your subscription has been canceled. It's really that easy and simple, guys.